welcome to NedDev. We're back on Hack the Box on Tier 1. Today we're going to be doing Pennyworth, which is another Linux box, another very easy Linux box. So let's jump straight in. We've got Linux, Web, Java, more weak passwords. Let's spawn up this machine. Here's our IP address, let's copy that into our notes, and over onto here. Oops. First thing we're going to do, as always, is ping it. Looks like we're getting responses, so nmap-ss-sv. Sorry, SV. There we go. Good start. Okay, so there's no web server associated with this IP address, not that we know of. Oh right, okay, there is, but it's on port 8080. So we'll go back to here and colon 8080. SSL error. Alright, yeah, we're still trying to access insecure site. Let's turn this off. Jenkins. Okay, so this is some kind of continuous integration server. So let's have a quick look for Jenkins default password. So admin password. Let's make sure I typed that correct. Nope. Admin. Nope. Okie dokie. Let's do some directory enumeration. So go buster. Our so it appears to just redirect straight to this. So I don't think there's anything else open on port 8080 other than this Jenkins app. This Jenkins login page. So what's next? Let's continue through these questions. CVE, common vulnerabilities. Oops. Exposures. I had to Google this. That's up there. So, what do the three letters in CIA, referring to the CIA triad and cybersecurity, stand for? Not sure. Alright, so it's CIA cyber security meaning. Confidentiality. Integrity and availability. Oops. Can't spell. Right, there we go. What is the version of the service running on port 8080? That would be Jetty, whatever that is. So Jetty, paste that in. What version of Jenkins is running on the target? I am not sure. Right. Let's continue to try to Alright, so I've tried them. What about root, toot, root, root password. Oh, that was it. Okay, so root password. That now we can go back to our question and say what version of Jenkins is running on the target. Jenkins, there we go. So it might be worth Jenkins vulnerability, security advisories, blah blah blah, CVE details. This might give us something. What type of script is accepted as an input on the Jenkins script console? Oh, I should know this. Is it groovy? Sorry, groovy. Yeah. What should string command variable from the groovy script snippet be equal to if the target VM was running Windows? Right. Done a little bit of research. So let's go into manage Jenkins and look for the script Jenkins CLI manage. That could be useful, and so can the script. Type in an arbitrary groovy script and execute it on the server. Okay, well, let's do this example. So I think now we sort of have access to the server through this. Let's have a look. So groovy commands. No, I want to groovy execute shell command. Right, let's try that. So out string builder, blah blah blah, ls home directory, the root, can I access root? Okay, so let's see if anything is in home. Right, let's copy this out so we've got something to refer to. I wonder if we can get it to SSH back to our machine. Right, let me have a think. I think that's how it's going to work. So, groovy reverse shell. All right. Okay. Pure groovy string localhost port. That's probably not right. All right. Let's try this. Let's copy that out. So host is that'll be bin bash localhost. Okay, what I've done wrong. Connection refused. Listener. Let's go back to the terminal, and I think netcat netcat-nlvp n refers to suppress name port resolutions, L listen mode, V verbose, P where are you, port. We're specifying the port, which we have put as 4242. So that can just sit there and listen, and then I wonder if we just run this. I've probably got to use my own IP, right? Right. So stop listening, if config. Alright, ton 0. Run. Oh, maybe something's already. Aha. Right, cool. So let's go back and answer some more of the questions. That would be command .exe. Yeah, because it said it in there, didn't it? Command.exe. What is the different command than IPA we could use to display our network interfaces? I used ifconfig. Which switch should we use with netcat for it to use UDP transport mode? UDP mode. Why am I so blind? Right, -u. What is the term used to describe making a host. What is the term? Oh, reverse shell. There we go. Oh, I guess it should just be in here somewhere, right? So we've looked in home. What about in root? We should look at root first, shouldn't we, really? Snap flag cat flag.txt. Cool. There we go. So that is our flag captured. That was a cool one. Reverse shell. Right, see you in the next one.